And yep, just to set the record straight, because you're going to be screaming, you're right, it's not a Malenko. Yeah.
So I thought I'd rather have somebody locally.
Well, I suppose I went to one bloke's house yesterday, and he said he phoned this company, and he said it was like, I think it's through Yellow Page or something, it was like the same company 5 times came up. And he thought it was calling different companies.
Yes.
And it was that Keytech, they're a national company. Yeah. And they just advertised.
So when you say pressure,
just literally, the splash. Yeah, that's it. Yep, lovely, thank you.
And you like tea bag left or you take it out?
You can leave it in there if you want. No worries.
I've got to go out and about, but I leave.
Okay.
About 10 or 15 minutes.
Okay. For some reason, Morris's is closed. Don't know why. They've got barriers across the.
Morris's is closed.
They've got barriers across where the petrol station is.
Oh, right.
I don't know what's going on there. Oh, he's done up tight. Feels like they're cross-threaded.
It wouldn't surprise me. I definitely say it anyway. But I tried to undo them yesterday and they were black hard.
Jesus, they're just rusted up.
We're losing much of the doors.
Oh, it's a Malenko.
Huh?
There we go. Hopefully. Hopefully this will open it. There we go. It's a Malenko. So the cam's gone in it.
Cam's gone.
Yeah, we take it apart and should be able to repair it.
Yeah.
And get it all working for you.
Yeah, it's got adjustment there and adjustments here.
Yeah.
Like they're all different. And because mine's the opposite, it doesn't go up and down, or it kind of goes, it kind of rotates around.
Yeah, they're all hinges do different things. But yeah, once I've got this working, then I'll adjust it all up and get it all working for you.
Yeah, okay.
Not a problem at all. Shouldn't take that long.
Because I'll need some cash, so how much will I owe?
It depends on this. I mean, you can do bank transfer or card payment. It's not a problem. Yeah, if it's we just go for card payment or bank transfer. So it saves you, because I need to get this out first, really, to have a look, see, to see what is exactly wrong with it. Because if the cam has been done before, then I have to put a new cam in it. If it hasn't been done before, then I can rig it up so it works fine. But yeah, it's a bit rusty. Get this bottom screws out. This is a Malenko with the cam that fails. So hopefully I should be able to do a cam swap. Yeah, look. There you can see it's all broken. Let's see if I can do a cam swap. Little screw hidden there. Come on. I'm sure that's a screw hidden there. Might be wrong. I was wrong. There's a screw somewhere. Here it is. Right. Oh, maybe there isn't a screw hidden. Ah, that ain't a screw. Right. Get in there. There we go. Right. Oh no, both mashed up. Nope. I think. This is a different type. And what I'm hoping is I can swap these around. This broken bit. Right. Not sure if it'll work. It's worth a try. Actually, I don't think it's going to work, because I think the back of this is different. Is it certainly is different. So ain't gonna work. Give me a new lock. Alright, okay, let me look it up. And yet it's an Everset. So I shall have to get a new one ordered. I have to lock this back up again and get a new one ordered for the customer. Get this all back in so we can look it up. This is one weird pin. Don't even know what it actually does. All I know is it goes in that little tiny slot there. If you can get it in. Be one of these ones where you've got to get that spring down, and when you've got the spring in there, No, maybe not. You know I'm going to wish I never took this apart. You see, I don't even know what the spring is for. Oh, nearly. What does it actually do? Something like that. Come on. Come on. Oh, yes, that's right. It's going in. I get. What you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to put it together out and see what happens. It's only a temporary job. Oh God, everything else is falling apart. I wonder if it's got something to do with. Still retracting the latch. Oh, look. That's close. Look at that. That can be messy. Right. Let's put this all back together. Looks like it's bowing there a bit, so hopefully something will click back in place. I'm not bothering the springs because I'm putting it a new one in. Right, it's bloody cold this morning. I have to get some new workwear for the winter. Just as I thought, it was bowing. I'll push that up, hope it'll click. My screwdrivers are getting thinner and thinner. There we go. That's it. Thank you. Right, let's get this back on. Okay. Okay. Well, let me hang on a second. Right, there's a problem. There's a problem with this.